you're not gonna find a lot of food haters out there.
Nice and floured.
I mean, it is food. What's not to love?
Pretty excited about that.
But what about a food class?
I didn't really expect to like it that much, and I met one of my best friends through this class.
Really meeting a lot of new people and learning all the new ways to cook food.
Nice and golden.
Students find out pretty quickly that there's a lot to love in culinary class.
My love language is feeding.
They especially love Miss Carnes.
Miss Carnes is just fun. She's like always happy.
I love Miss Carnes because she's my favorite teacher.
I will love Miss Carnes.
I adore her.
And Miss Carnes loves them too, and her ThunderRidge kitchen.
We are blessed that we have the only industrial kitchen that students actually learn in and cook in.
The only one like it in the district. It's her playground.
We have the hood system. We have gas as our heating for all of our ranges and ovens.
So what do you do with all this handiwork
And they're gonna get even bigger.
when there's no hands to help?
I'll mise out all the ingredients in the classroom, and then I'll have them drive up outside in the parking lot and deliver it to them. We've been able to make homemade pies, spread that out over a couple of weeks. We've done homemade salsas and just things that still engage the student.
When it comes down to it, food is about the friends you share it with.
We're still cooking at home. We're still enjoying that time. It's hard when we're apart, for sure.
Learning to cook at home is one of the goals of culinary class.
I've always just wanted to learn how to cook so I'm prepared for my future.
A future career is also on the table.
Quite a few of them will go off to Johnson & Wales or Escoffier, and then they go on to either work as a chef, but some of them even find that alternative of food and nutrition, health and wellness. There's other avenues that you can pursue.
Wherever culinary class takes them, they're sure to find something they love.
Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.
All right, bye.
Bye, love you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.